If your Mac has started feeling a little slow lately, one of the easiest ways to give it a boost is by clearing out the cache. First, open up Finder, the little blue and white face icon at the bottom of your screen. At the very top of your Mac, in the menu bar, click on Go. From the drop-down list, select Go to Folder. A small box will appear. In that box, type this exactly. The squiggly line is just a shortcut for your user folder. Don't worry about remembering it. I'll put the text in the description so you can just copy and paste it. Once you've typed it in, hit Return on your keyboard. This will take you straight into the cache folder. What you're seeing here are all the temporary files that have built up from different apps. They're safe to delete because your Mac will recreate new ones as needed. Now, to clear them, go to the top left corner again, click Edit, and then select All. This highlights every folder and file in here. Next, go up to File in the top menu and choose Move to Bin. At this point, everything is in your bin, but it's not completely gone yet. Now that everything is in your bin, all you need to do is head down to the bin icon in your dock, right-click on it, and select Empty Bin. Confirm it. And just like that, all of those temporary files are gone for good.